Morning. So today is our first day in Osaka, and our plan is to take it lightly. We will go down just to have coffee and maybe ramen, and then let's see how the day goes.
Still tired from the trip yesterday, but yeah, we don't want to waste any time while we're here. We're going for coffee, and then we're going for ramen, and then we're going for going for lunch. Seafood? Yeah. Oh.
7-Eleven coffee or that one there?
Kala ko uupo tayo. Sabi nga, akyat ulit tayo.
Hindi. Dito nandito sa kanto lang yung ramen eh. Pero gusto ko muna magkape. Upo muna tayo, tingnan natin doon.
Ay, grabe.
Hindi ginaw katita. Ako okay lang. Feel ko. Transfer tayo sa kabila.
Ay, grabe. Raging yung temperature. It's freezing. Cafe Luca.
Bukas na kaya? Pwede tayo mag-break.
Paano tayo mag-ramen?
Hindi. Pwede pa rin mag-break mamaya. Yan nasa gilid eh. Anong gusto mo rito?
Mustard chicken and potato.
Yung pa eh. Dami pa rin ano? Parang meron silang flu outbreak eh. Kain na katutak na. Salamat po sa pagkain nito. Salamat for our first day. I pray that you would guide our first day there. Thank you. Pahingin ang pancake mo mamaya. Ha?
Ice cream sa umaga.
Ice cream mo? Vanilla? Hindi.
Ito.
Akala ko yun eh.
It's freezing. Super lamig, super windy. Coffee was good.
Andito lang sa
It's
side eh.
called Cafe Luca.
Okay. Dito yan eh. Silipin natin dito.
And right after coffee, this guy here wants to go straight for ramen. And we're heading to one of these ramen stores.
Dito lang eh.
Just a few meters away from the coffee shop, we had coffee.
Ayun o, ramen. Japanese noodles. Ay, close pa. Anong oras sila magbubukas? Ha? It's closed.
10 o'clock time. They open at 10 o'clock.
It's already 10.
What about this one?